Namaskaram everybody. Today I came up with a new video about Bhairavi Sadhana, which is going to start next Tuesday 28th of December. So it will be ended on Thaipusam Day for the girls, 21 days, and 42 Thai Amavasya for the gents. So now the video whatever I'm making is useful for both boys and girls. So the process is same, but the days are different. That's it. So what you have to do is you just keep your puja place ready. How to keep your puja place ready? That is the first step. Then we'll go for the essentials, what you need to bring it, and how to do your sadhana and all, and what is the culmination. Okay, anyhow you'll have an orientation. This is just an introduction video from myself, and this is the second year of my Bhairavi Sadhana. Okay, so last year I did it, and it was like very awesome for me. So I think many of you know about my Devi place. This is my Devi place. So I have spread the red color cloth here, and I kept Devi. I like Buddha also, Baba and Sadguru. And this is a painting which I did it, and the top painting is done by an Italian artist called Silvia Mori. And this is Shiva, and this is a what is called Diya actually, and he is Dakshinamurti and Dhyanalinga. So I have two colors of Devis here. Fine. So you need to keep your Devi placed like this, and you should have your Devi Stuti at the same time. Okay. And please make sure that it is very clean. And for the girls, during your periods also you can do it. There is no obstruction at all. Devi is open for everybody. There is no distractions at all. She only sees your devotion, how you do it. So you should become completely surrendered to her. You should become nothing. Then she will evolve out of you, and she'll make you realize the Shakti in yourself. So, and the way you afterwards, the sadhana, the way you behave is completely different. So the essentials what you need. Okay. So now we need bath powder. How to make the bath powder? Okay. I'm using this. Along with this, I'm using neem powder. This is from the Isha Life. Okay. And turmeric. Manjal, turmeric, pasupu, anything you can call. So these three ingredients I'll mix. So this is half kg packet. In this I will add 5 spoons of neem powder and 5 spoons of turmeric powder. So, like this in a box, just keep it tight. See the smell. After your sadhana also, you will not use the soap. You will use this only. So, I'm using this only now. So, see this one. So, this is like this. It's mix of yellow and green color. Fine. So, you can use like this as a bath powder. So, the main conditions is no coffee, no tea, no cosmetics, no shampoo also. Till 12 o'clock fasting. Right. So, what we have to do then? So, your Devi place is ready. And now our bath powder is ready. So, it's not compulsory that we should take head bath twice a day. So, it is good. We are having head bath once, or also it's okay. We are taking normal bath. And but we should bath at twice a day compulsorily. With the bath powder. So, before the night, you have to soak a handful of groundnuts, okay, and in water, okay. So you're taking this many groundnuts means you should pour 5 times of water in it, so that the dosha inside is completely gone. Fine. So then you take a small box like this. In this you put honey, 3 spoons of honey, and 10 peppercorns, normal peppercorns in this, and 4 to 5 neem leaves. Okay. Just you can keep it and close the lid so that no ants are coming and obstructing your sadhana. Close the lid and keep it near Devi. Okay. So morning you are woke up, you are ready for the sadhana. You had your bath, and then you are doing your sadhana. Sadhana means you have to do your Devi Dandam. That link I'll give you in the description box. Anyhow, they will tell you at the time of orientation. And next one is Devi Stuti. That video is also available in the YouTube. That link also I'll give you. Devi Dandam and Devi Stuti. Both of that will make one round. So you have to do 3 rounds minimum. So not like 1 round in the morning, 2 rounds in the evening. So 3 rounds at a time is considered as one full cycle. So you have to do 3 times. So if you are having time in the evening, again 3 rounds. You can do like that 3 rounds or 6 rounds or 9 rounds or 11 rounds or 33 rounds or like that. Okay. So after doing this, then you are giving Devi Arati, or you can do Achala Arpanam. That video also I'll share you. That is another offering we are giving to Devi to receive more grace of Devi. Okay. And you have to wear this Devi pendant at the same time. And I brought my Devi shawl also this time. So during my process, I'll be wearing the complete shawl like this. Not for the entire day, fully like this. And I'll be doing my sadhana. Now I kept it inside safely. I'm so happy to receive it from Isha Life. I mentioned them thanks. So next one is when you are starting your sadhana, you can either keep the tea light candles or like this type of candles, whatever you can afford. And this time I brought 2 silver one. I exchanged all my old silver things and I brought this one. Only 100 rupees I gave. I got 2 new ones. So this one only for the Devi. So I make sure that all throughout the day the light is lit with the Devi, the fire element. I'll be sitting and working here only. Okay. So and after your sadhana, then what you're doing is you are just making lemon water, glass full of lemon water, and in this the prashadam is there, right? Honey, neem leaves and the peppercorns. Eat off the neem leaves, and in this lemon water you just mix the this peppercorn and whatever is there, honey, just mix it in the glass of water, just consume it. That is the prasadam. And we are offering this. And now next question is what to offer to Devi daily, right? So we are offering this black sesame seeds. Okay, you can find it on the buns, right? When you are eating that black sesame seeds, that one, and the green gram daily. It's not like the quantity how much you are offering. This is the green gram, which you can make dosa. Generally in the South India will make pesarattu with this. We'll call pesalu. Green peas, if not green peas, green gram dal. So you can offer this to them. So you can offer a grain, or you can offer a spoonful, or you can offer a handful. It's how much devotion you are giving to Devi is mainly important. So today what I am offering, I'll keep 2 cups like this, small bowls. So in one little green gram, in one little black sesame seeds. And tomorrow when what we are doing is we are cleaning this, and whatever we offered, no, we keep it aside. Daily we just top it on the top. Yesterday's, day before yesterday's, like that every day. And one day it will become, after the 21 days, you will have a handful of green gram what you have stored it, and handful of black sesame seeds at the same time. Okay, so you keep it separately. What you have to do, Sadhguru will tell you. Okay, so now we are fasting. Next comes fasting until 12 o'clock. So morning we did our Devi Stuti, Devi Dandam and Devi Arati, and had the lemon juice and everything. And when we are hungry until 12 o'clock, right? No coffee, no tea, no breakfast. So what we have to do? Then we already soaked this handful of groundnuts, right? So you can eat this whenever you are hungry. You can have lemon juice until 12 o'clock. Last year, I was able to do my Ekadasi fasting during Devi Sadhana, and I was full of energy. Okay, so don't prepare your mind that you will be like this, we're not eating food, there is no idli, there is no sambar, and I'm missing my coffee and tea. Oh my God, it's not like that. So you just observe yourself how your body reacts to you, and how much energy you are getting within yourselves. And so much of detox is happening inside, and there is so much receptivity inside you from Devi. So evening also you can lit the Devi lamp or candle or whatever it is, and again you can read the Devi Stuti, and there are so many songs from Sounds of Isha, beautiful songs. So you can just click on the YouTube Sounds of Isha and Jai Bhairavi Devi Pratastu Ve Parasivam Bhairavi Bhavani. So like this I learned so many songs. I wrote it in my mother language and I keep on singing and doing the work. And normal work we can do it, but please avoid the non-veg. Okay, no coffee, no tea. So fasting till 12 o'clock. And this prasadam, I think I have told everything. So you can, instead of coffee and tea, in the evening you can take this Sanjeevani mix. This is a mixture of lot of millets and country sugar. And if there is any vitamin deficiency in you, this will balance you, will give you a lot of energy. You can just add little ragi powder in this, and you can add a little jaggery or honey. You can take it with hot milk or little hot warm water or hot water according to your taste, or palm jaggery, anything. So this is like a beautiful thing. It tastes good, yummy. So, and you can keep this one for dhupam for Devi, morning and the evening. Okay. And another thing I want to tell you is this is Tejaswini pack which I got from Isha Life. I just apply 2 times in a week, but that Vatti Veru smell is like superb. That earth smell is like superb. I just love it. After 10 minutes also, I don't want to take it. So it's so nice. So main thing about Devi is she is so compassionate and graceful at the same time. So she will make you realize what you are, and she will cut it off what you are not. That is my realization. So I got more clarity after that. After my Devi Sadhana, every day something special was happening in my life. Last year my sister just gave me a gift for Devi sari and Devi pen. Unexpected gift. As soon as I received that, I was in tears. And that time I was having strong intention in me that I should do a baby photo shoot. So my sister came to Bangalore. So I did a baby photo shoot for my sister's daughter, Lalita Sahasra. So she was so quiet, so cool and small baby, 5 to 6 months baby. So she was listening. Whatever I'm doing for her, she's happy with that. So whenever I sing songs, she's enjoying the songs and all. So this is about the Bhairavi Sadhana. So you keep your this one also ready for Harati. And main thing is you should wear your Devi pendant and Devi Kumkum, and tie the Abhaya Sutra red color for your left hand on the first day. You can take the help of your parents or your husband or anybody, friends in your family on the left side. If you're having Bhairavi Raksha, you can wear it. But this Rudraksha and Bhairavi Raksha should not come with contact with the cosmetics. So now we are using only bath powder, right? So we can use this bath powder and we can wear Bhairavi Raksha and feel her, and this Rudraksha, feel the Shiva and have the bath. I'll be singing, chanting during bath also. So it makes me feel so nice. So on the last but one day, my heart is just swaying like anything in the air, completely in the air. So this is about Bhairavi Sadhana. How many of you got registered? If you have registered, please comment yes in the comment box below. And if you're having very good experiences, you can make a small video and tag me on Instagram. I'll be sharing my Instagram handle also. I'm on the Facebook also. So this is about today's video. So happy Bhairavi Sadhana, waiting for the Tuesday. Namaskaram.